Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Now go back, go to lock screen, also make sure that this function is enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be rain and snow with a high of 47 and a low of 28.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.